Hey everyone, this is Greg with Golden Leaf Web and Print Design. We're doing a Photoshop tutorial here for you today. I'm using version CS4, but you can basically use this technique with any version of Photoshop, and I believe that this is the fastest and easiest way to create rounded corners out of an image. First thing we're going to want to do is create a new layer on top of the background for us to work on. Then we're going to click on the rounded rectangle tool, set the radius to 28 right there. Then we're going to want to place the shape on top of the image. And we'll do it right about there. That'll work. Then we're going to want to select the shape that we just created with Command, and then click on the thumbnail. That'll create, then we'll select the shape that we just created. Click on the background, then we're going to Command copy, and then we're going to paste it. Then hide the top layer, hide the bottom layer. We're also going to want to define the background color. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new layer, place it underneath the other layer that we just created. Oh, sorry. Go to the paint bucket tool, got it set to black, and then just click on the layer that we just created. So basically the background's black, we got the border, and that's exactly what we want. My favorite thing about this technique is that you can use any shape to get the desired look that you want. So let me show you an example of this. We're going to go back into the history palette and just go back to the beginning, click on new layer. Then we're going to go to this other image. I got this random image of a bug, it's already cut out, and we're going to want to select it by doing the same thing we did before, holding down the Command key and then clicking on the thumbnail of the image. We're going to want to copy it, then we're going to come to this other image, paste it, and I'm going to move this over just a little bit, just a smudge, and then we're going to want to select the bug again, holding down the Command key, clicking on the thumbnail, and then we're going to select the layer of the background, copy paste, take off the top layer, take off the bottom layer, and you have the bug here. Let's add a solid border around the bug to define the edges a little bit more. Let's make the background black. We're going to create a new layer, place it below the layer that the bug is on. Grab the bucket tool, and then we're going to click down. So we're going to go into our layers style panel and double click on the layer, and that opens up these multitude of options. You got a drop shadow. We're going to choose stroke. We're going to want to choose the color, double click, and we're going to choose this light blue here, and yeah, that looks good. So let's make it a little bit thicker. Oh, gotta press OK. Let's make it 5 pixels. Press OK. And there's the tutorial. Basically, it's a very flexible way of creating borders out of any image that you desire. If you're using a PC, of course, just use Control instead of Command. And so yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want a transparent background, save it as a PNG. If you don't, save it as JPEG. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.